My name is Karen and I've never had my hair colored before. What made me want to get my hair colored today is the fact that summer is right around the corner and I want a fresh new look. I want something different, something unique, and it's an attention grabber.
I wanted to get my hair colored today just because it would be a new experience. Also, I'm ready for the summer. I'm ready for a nice bright color for the summer.
I've never had my hair colored before because I'm kind of like a scaredy cat and I'm always afraid to try new things, but I'm willing to try it today.
I wanted to get my hair colored because I thought it would be fun to try a new style for summer, and my mom finally said yes.
I'm totally game for anything in the warm colors or the blonde family. I'm down for a new change.
Today, I am going to do the balayage technique with a nice honey color.
I want to do blonde because I have brown hair, so I think the contrast would be really nice.
I wanted to get rose gold because I saw a lot of pictures on Instagram and I thought it looked really pretty.
What I'm mostly excited about is seeing my mom's reaction. She's so used to seeing me with this, so I can't wait to see her face.
I'm nervous for my own reaction because I'm really nervous about changing my hair in general.
Having my hair rose gold will let me try new looks for when I go to Paris.
I am excited to turn around, look in that mirror, and just see a brand new person. Maybe not a brand new person, but you know, a newer me.
So I think maybe today a balayage would be great because it's going to give you some lightness and dimension. It'll kind of allow us to test your hair and how it lightens.
I definitely don't want this anymore, so I'm super excited.
So we'll blend this area really nicely, and then we'll go for more of a brighter sort of poppy blonde towards the bottom if we can get you that.
Cool.
You have a lot of warm tones in your hair, so I might actually suggest that you do more of a rose gold.
It's really going to make your curls pop and you'll have like this nice dimension and you'll just look like sunny and even more than you already do. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right, are you ready to get started?
Let's do it. It is.
I love my hair. I'm so happy. It's beautiful and I'm ready for summer.
I love my new hair. It came out even better than I imagined.
I am totally psyched about my curls and color. It came out even better than I imagined it would be.
I love my hair. It came out amazing. Betsy did a great job. The way it looks, it just flows beautifully and it has a nice glow to it.
I would say the best part of this experience is the fact that I'm gonna leave looking like a 20. Not a 10, but a 20, because I look amazing and I know it.
The best part for me was probably getting to turn around and see what my hair looked like in the end.
Getting my hair colored for the very first time was relatively therapeutic, to be honest, and it was just a phenomenal experience. It felt so nice when they did my hair and touched my scalp.
I would tell someone who's getting their hair colored for the first time to not be so nervous, let loose, and it's definitely good to step outside of your comfort zone and try something new. I'm gonna show off my new hair with a selfie. I think that's how everyone does it, post it on social media.
I feel swaggerlicious with my new hair.
Thanks for coming with me to get my first hair coloring. For more firsts like this, subscribe to 17 YouTube channel. Bye!